The COVID scare is over. Tired of virtual meetings? Time to zoom out.
A lot of us are now zoomed out. I've had too many meetings on Zoom.
Why not join the 19th annual Critical Care Symposium in Manchester on the 27th and 28th of April?
Why do I go to the meeting? So that I can meet the faculty, I can talk to the faculty.
Hello! I hope you will join us at the meeting in Manchester.
It's a lovely meeting held every year in Manchester. It's fun, it's friendly, it's sociable.
Pulls together some of the best physicians I've ever heard.
We learn a lot, and this has significant consequences in the care of our patients.
Virapan has curated a world-class learning environment, diverse, informal, accessible and sociable top-class education experience.
People come from all over the world to attend this meeting.
It offers the same quality as many huge big meetings. Expenses are less.
Improve your everyday clinical practice. A unique opportunity to learn from top experts in the field. Great topics, great speakers. Prepare for your exams. Interesting pro-con debates.
I'll be debating a pro and con debate with Dr. Ashley Miller, where I'll try to convince you that POCUS is for every critical care intensive care physician.
Become a POCUS expert. Network and meet new people.
The social aspects of this course are second to none.
I'm working on a project now that I started because I met someone at the conference last year.
It's a meeting where you will actually meet the faculty. They're not hidden away.
Manchester, a great place to visit.
Some of the greatest rock musicians of all time have come from Manchester.
Emmeline Pankhurst, the mother of the suffragette movement. Alan Turing's work at the University of Manchester. Great art, music, dance, and the best sports teams on the planet.
Register now to secure your spot.
Why not come along and join the party? Or as we say around here, that's sorted, our kid.
So we hope to see you there in Manchester soon.
If you don't know where Manchester is, I'm going to stand up now. I hope this works. Okay, there we go.
Be there.